Akiaria hindi ya kurugamirira kigeranio gia KCSE kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha augite kuri na mwihoko wa mihango ya mathomo kwaga gucenjia kuona namba cia murimu wa COVID-19 ni ciambiriirie gucoka thi.
It looks like the pandemic is starting to flatten. There may be no need for now for me to summon the education stakeholders to look afresh at the timetable. So the timetable remains as we had decided earlier.
Kurari na guoya wa uhoteteku wa kugarurania kalenda ya githomo o ringi ni undu wa gutamba kwa mururumo wa gatatu wa murimu wa COVID-19 uria watumire mawatho ma murimu uyu marumirirwo na kaunti ithano cikihingwo. Gukiri uguo, cukuru ciaya gukahingurwo kuma mweri 10 wa gatano thutha wa arutwo a grade cia mbere nginya gatatu na a kirathi gia gatano nginyagia mugwanja guthie rutha rwa ciumia mugwanja na macokereria maingira tamu yao ya gatatu kuria megwika igeranio cia kumahotithia guthie kirathi kiu kingi.
And by the grace of God, the children will come to school the time we said they should come to school.
Kuri na uhoteteku wa maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCPE kwanirirwo kiumia giukite, orire nayo Ministry ya Githomo na arugamiriri a igeranio mabangite uria kigeranio gia KCSE gikumakwo rungu rwa mitaratara ya Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri na kuhurana na gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19.
The results for the KCPE, I said, are within 2 weeks. We are still within that period. All I can say is that we are doing extremely well. And preparation for marking this particular set of exams is at a very advanced stage.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.